Hello. We live once more again. Today is Friday, and I want us to end the week by gaming or trading. Probably trading. For now, trading. My laptop is not able to. My laptop is not able to. You know. my laptop is not able to handle live streaming and gaming at the same time. For some reason, I have a really good spec, but I don't know why I'm not able to do that. Do you guys know anything about PC? Do you guys know anything about PC? This is my spec. I have a Core i9 12900K, 32 gig of RAM, 16 GB, RTX 5070 Ti. I have 2 terabyte of storage. All of this, and somehow my desktop is not able to handle live streaming and gaming. Yo guys, yo, welcome to the live stream. We're gonna be live trading. Let's see what New York has to give us today. We're gonna be live trading. I have a mix of SSD and HDD. SSD, that's where my operating system runs on, and then HDD is just for storing things. So it's a mix. But I think I have 1 terabyte of SSD, and the other 1.5 is HDD. My mic is not loud. Is my mic loud enough now? Or do you guys want me to scream? US holiday. Yeah, I always forgot about this holiday, bro. I went to the MTN office like a minute ago, and like the office was closed, and I didn't understand why the office was closed. And they told me that it was holiday. I totally understand now. So if it's holiday, I'll just break down some of the trade I took this week, and you guys can ask me questions. All of your questions will be answered. Okay, I'm gonna be answering your questions pretty soon. Why you guys saying my live stream is not loud? My voice. Hello. You guys want me to speak this loud? I don't know how I can increase the thing. My room is dope. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. Stephen, thank you very much. I'm really happy that you actually like. It's not my room, it's my office. It's my office, it's not my room. But thank you very much, man. Thank you. How do I manage multiple accounts? You can copy trade. I think you can copy trade, yeah. Thanks for answering your question. You're welcome. Or did you ask me a question I haven't replied? If you ask me a question I replied, then you're welcome. You're welcome. Why streaming software? Bro, I'm not teaching tech here. I use OBS. I use OBS. OBS Studio. OBBS Studio. Bro, I have all of this spec, and somehow my laptop's still not able to handle live streaming and that thing. How do you call it? These are some of the trades I took. Let me try to put it well. Yeah. So this week, I don't know how many trades I even sent to my signal. Let me go and check it really quick. I don't know if I sent 1 or 2. I think I sent 2 trades. I sent. When did this week even started? Today's Friday. So the week started The week started since 29th. Okay. 29th. Okay. Okay. That's perfect. So let's go all the way to 29. Let's see how many trades I sent. Bro, sometimes I don't know how many trades I even sent in my signal. I need to count. Like I'm basically gonna count it with you guys here. So 29. Where is 29? Yeah, so this is my first time I sent a message. So monitoring EU and gold buy. Yes, I think my first trade was a stop loss. Yeah, so this was the first trade. I do remember now. This was the first trade. I only sent 2 setup this week, and out of the 2 setup, they've been a massive. This was the first one. Let me put it here for you guys. Do you guys like when I'm being transparent with you, or you guys want me to start faking things? Do you guys want me to be like any other influencer? You guys want me to just be me, like being real with you and everything. So this was the first trade. Okay, this was the first trade I sent to my signal. You guys can see here, like this was the first trade, and I actually took the trade. And then the second trade I sent is yesterday, or the day before yesterday. Yes, the second trade was this one, the one down here, which is actually this. This was the second trade, and that second trade ran massive. It hit full TP, by the way. I think it ran for like 6 hours. This is the second trade, and that second trade is 1,600 pips, and it ended up running for the full 1,600 pips, by the way. 1,600 pips. You guys see there? 1,600 pips. And do you guys know what's funny? Do you guys really want to know what's funny? This second trade here that ran massively, all of this, like this second trade, I didn't take it. Like I literally did not take that trade on my phone because I was busy that day. I just sent the trade and went out. So I didn't take the trade, and that thing went. I was pissed because I didn't take it. But thankfully, I took this buy, like this buy here. I took this buy yesterday night. And then this is the re-entry I took. And this entry I took here, I didn't send to the signal because this entry happened around 2-3 a.m. Like it happened late at night, so I couldn't send it. I only send my signal London and New York. So when it's Asia, I don't really send signal. So this was the trade I took. Imagine I didn't take this and I only send this to trade on. Bro, I was pissed that I did not take this first buy. I was really pissed. But yeah, if I open my trade history, and by the way, I think I came before I took this buy here. I took the first buy up here. I don't even know why. I think it was FOMO or something that I missed this one. I took a small buy here. I lost about $1,000, and then later I came and I took this buy here. But everything is on my MT5 here. You guys can see I took a total of 3 trades on my account. 3 trades. I hope you all see it. The first buy was a stop loss here, and then the one below here is the one that I didn't take it, and then I took a small buy here which was a stop loss, and then this last buy is still running, by the way. The last one is still running. Okay, I still have about 1 lot. Bro, I don't know how 1 lot is making me $14,000. These days gold is crazy. 1 lot, I've never really thought 1 lot can make you 5 figures profit. Never really thought of that. I'm affiliated with Funding Pips, that's why I can do whatever I want. What? Bro, I'm not talking about Funding Pips here. What on earth are you talking about? All this time I've been talking, did I say anything Funding Pips related? Bro, I'm live on my channel. I didn't even show you guys Funding Pips about anything Funding Pips related since I started this live. Why are you saying that because I'm affiliated with Funding Pips? Funding Pips did what? Let me go back. Let's talk about Funding Pips for a minute, right? If I come to my Funding Pips account here, do you see these 2 account I blew here? Do you know not pass this live account? Did Funding Pips reset my account? Did they reset my account after me I blew this? They did not. So why are you saying that Funding Pips did what I did what? If I break a rule, I break a rule. I get penalized for it. I lost my account. I'm gonna lose the account. I don't get free account from Funding Pips. I buy my own account. I think they should be like somewhere where I can show you where I can buy account. Like my payment history. All of these are account I bought. Last time I bought account was what? May. I buy account, okay? I don't get free account. I buy account. I buy what? My own account. I buy my own account. I don't get account for free. Hope that helps you. Oh man. This kind of people. I wish I can just like, yeah, I can do that. I'm gonna ban you from the chat. I don't like when you people come with those kind of mentalities. I'm gonna time you out for, yeah, I'm gonna time you out. I'm gonna block you on YouTube, bro. I don't like this kind of things. I'm here being chill, okay? Nah, I'm being serious. I'm here being chill. I haven't even said anything funding peeps related. You are being here like, hey, you're affiliated with funding peeps. Why are you not affiliated with funding peeps? Why are you not making content and being affiliated with them? Anyone can be affiliated with funding peeps if you can prove to them that you can get sales. Why are you not affiliated with funding peeps? If I'm doing better than you, go and do better than me. Oh man. Anyway, I'm back, Chad. How do you get access to my signal? Go and sign up to my website, AstuceFx.com. Do I have a specific time I trade? Yes, London session and New York session. These are the time I trade. I trade London and New York. Okay? I trade what? London session and New York session. And then I send my signal at London session and New York session. Sometimes I trade Asia, but I don't send my trade at Asia session. I just want you guys to understand. I do not send signal at Asia session. I only send signal London session and New York session. And for you to get the Telegram link, I can't just send you guys a Telegram link. You have to sign up on my website and then get approved, or you can also pay for the signal if you want. That's when you get access to the signal. Okay, you are not gonna get it for free. You are not gonna get signal for free, okay? Or what am I saying? You can get signal for free, but I can't just send the Telegram link directly to you people. But I think what you can do is you can also join my free Telegram community. There's a free Telegram community here as well. You guys can also go and check that out. I have what? A free Telegram community. And all of these things. The fact that I made things so easy in a way where you can get everything mentorship from me for free. Like literally. You can get this scalping mastery for free. Despite here you see that it's for $75. You can get it for free. If you are trading with Exness, you can get this for free. And this free trading service is basically free. The name is free there. Free profile service. Everything is free on the website. Bro, I'm not done with the giveaway. This guy never replied me. There was one guy that did not reply me. There was one of these people that did not reply me. This guy won my giveaway. Until now, he has not replied me. What should I do? These people here already sent me their email. I still haven't like forwarded it to funding peeps. I'm probably gonna forward to funding peeps by Monday. But these people here, like this guy here, he did not reply me. So I'm gonna replace him. I can't just choose one person on the chat here. Can I do that? I can't choose one person here on the chat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys one more chance to join the giveaway, okay? Let me see what I can do. Where is the giveaway post again? Where is the giveaway post? Bro, I posted this my trading setup. I said that it cost me $20,000. And you guys think that $7,000 can do it. Where did I put this thing? My phone. I'm coming, okay? Give me about a minute. I'm coming. Okay, I'm back. So this guy said my setup can cost $7,000. Does he know That these two phones alone is like $3,000 combined. These two phones. How do you join the giveaway? Okay, let me come back to the giveaway post. I think it's this. I reposted. Okay, this is the original post. Okay, this is the post. Let me copy the link and send it to you guys. So the last winner, you all go to my go to my X account and then look for this post. Okay, go to my X account, look for this post, and join. Go and follow all this. I'm giving you guys an additional 5 minutes. You go and do all of these things, and after you've done it, I'm gonna ask Grok to choose another winner. And if that winner does not send me his email within 5 minutes, I'm gonna choose another winner as well. I want people that can reply. You see what I'm saying? So one person can win the giveaway. Go and check AstuceFx.com. Go to 30th June. That's when I made the post, the giveaway post. Go and comment. Okay, bro, I wanted to buy this thing today. I think because of how's it called? Because of the bank holiday. Is it US bank holiday? Let me go and check this. Before you guys trade, always feel free to check Forex Factory. It's very important. Check Forex Factory before you start trading. Like daily, when you come on the chart and you want to trade, first thing you do is go to Forex Factory and then check for the day. Friday today, you can see that we have US bank holiday. So when I have US bank holiday this way, I don't really like trading that day. So I'm definitely not gonna trade today because it's US bank holiday. I hope you all get it. So always feel free to check, and sometimes you can even see high impact news, so you can avoid those high impact news. I think EU might be moving. Yeah, I think EU is giving us something interesting. I'm not have a buy like this on EU. Overall EU actually bullish? I don't really know, but this is what I'm expecting on EU. Let me check DXY. If DXY sells, EU is gonna buy. I think DXY has been selling as well. Yeah. You can have something like this. Have a full GB at this high here. So this is like a 3 hour. This is actually a really good setup I'll take. So maybe EU can move. I don't know. This is something you can be thinking about. So go and join the giveaway on X, okay? Go and join the giveaway. Go and join the giveaway on X. How do I get DXY? How do I get daily bias on DXY? If DXY is going up, EU going down. If DXY is going down, EU is going up. That's how I use DXY correlation. So I analyze DXY, and if DXY is telling me that it's gonna go down, then EU is gonna go up. If DXY is telling me it's gonna go up, then EU is gonna go down. How y'all get it? My mic is no longer loud. Can you maybe try to increase your phone volume or something? I don't know, man. I can't be shouting. I can't be shouting. How does funding pips breach 5k on a 1% floating loss? I don't know. I don't really get your question. If you have any question about how they breach an account, we can probably reach out to them. Okay, I think I gave you guys enough time. Let me go and choose a winner, because this guy here never replied, so I'll just go and choose another winner, Choose one more winner for this giveaway. And if he replied, he followed. The comment has to be from today. Where am I from? I live in Ghana. I'm currently in Accra, Ghana. So let's see if Grok is gonna choose another winner. Let's wait for what Grok is gonna say. Grok. Let's see what Grok has to say. Let's see who Grok is gonna choose. And I said the comment has to be from today. So Grok is gonna choose a winner from today's comment. What's my take on spirituality or forex? Bro, what? What do you mean spiritual? What? I can't even pronounce it. What do you mean spirituality or forex? You guys do ritual on forex as well, or what happened? Do you guys do ritual on forex? If there is a ritual on forex to make money from trading, like, let me know. I would want to go and try it out. Probably I'm gonna make millions. I mean, even without that, I'm able to make something. So if I can make ritual for trading, I mean, that oh no, you guys are not serious. So this guy is actually our winner here. Did he comment? Did he comment today? He commented 1 minute ago. Good. So we have our winner here. So let me just copy this message and send it to him. So we have what our last winner, and I'm pretty sure this guy is on this live as well. So congratulations, whoever won this on my live, congratulations. Thanks so much, Grok, for choosing me. So Grok chose you. It was you. What's the minimum RR I aim per trade? About 3 R is fine. 3 R is fine. So this guy, you have 5 minutes to send me your details. You have 5 minutes to send me your details. So don't waste it. EU is actually going away, bro. This thing is not gonna come back. Do you guys know how I used to like scalp EU before? I used to scalp the 1 minute. Like this is what I do. I come here, I take a buy like this, and I put the stop loss like below this. So I'm getting like 1.5 pips stop loss. Okay, 1.5 pips stop loss, and I'm gonna have a TP like this. And trust, these are some of the things I used to do before. Like this is how I trade. And imagine this buy alone, I'm getting like 11 R from it. So imagine for a minute that I'm able to catch this all the way down here. That means that this buy here is gonna get me 20 R. Can you guys imagine? This is how I used to trade before. I could actually still trade it like this now, but when you are, you know, getting this kind of entry, you can't really send signals, because the time you send signal, this thing is gonna go to stop loss, or it would have actually gone to TP already. Like this thing is fast. You can't send signal this way. And even trading profit, the smaller the stop loss you have those spread and you know, lot size restriction. It's not really worth for you to be having this kind of entries. But personal account, trading Exness, having unlimited leverage, and then probably a zero spread account, this is, I mean, a pretty good deal, you know. How do you participate? I just did it right now. He's sending his detail. That's good. So we have our third winner. And I'm gonna send the emails to funding pips probably on Monday, and then hopefully you're gonna be a winner. Hopefully you get your account issued. If you haven't won, it's fine. Next time, all you have to do is follow me on X. That's it. Because it's on X I mostly do these giveaways. This kind of giveaways, I mostly do them on X. So you want to have a chance to win a giveaway, do it on X. That day my laptop stopped working because I don't know. So today I'm making sure that the same thing doesn't happen. Look at how much I'm using about 50% of my GPU. Okay. How do you open an Exness account under my link? So there are two ways. First, the question you have to ask yourself is, do you already have an Exness account? Okay. Do you already have an Exness account? If it's yes, just let me know yes. If it's no, just let me know no. If you don't have an Exness account yet, then I can give you a link and you can go and sign up to Exness. Okay, I'm gonna copy the link right now. I'm gonna send you the link, and then you can use that link to sign up to Exness. I hope you'll get it. Okay, but if you already have an Exness account, you can change partnership. And how to do that, you can go and check my website. On my website, there is a way that is shown how to change partnership. You can change partnership. For you to change partnership, basically, you sign up to your Exness account. Okay, you sign up on the broker, on the browser. Don't go to the mobile app. Go to the browser and then go to the live chat, and write that you want to change partnership. Just write, I want to change partnership. You send the message, you'll get a reply. Okay, the reply from that reply, you'll get a form that you have to fill, and that form you just have to put my link, my Exness link, and this is my Exness link here. Let me show you guys. I want to show you how to do that thing I'm talking here. I want to do some screenshot. Yeah, I'm going live to trade. I'm going live to trade. Yeah, apparently. And some people are not eligible to change partnership. If you are not eligible, they will tell you that you are not eligible. But if you are not eligible to change partnership, just create a new Exness account with a new email. That's it. Let me show you guys. I just tried to change partnership here on my own account, and they said that at the moment my personal area isn't eligible. This means I won't be able to request partnership change right now. So if you do get this, then that means that you are not allowed to change partnership. And that means that you can just create a new Exness account using my link, like with new email. So just use my link and then use a new email address and create, and you'll be using that Exness account from that moment onward, basically. Do you have to change your leverage to 1 to 1000 when trading? Funding Pips leverage is, they give you the leverage. You can't choose to change the leverage. Okay, you can't choose. You can't choose. It's bank holiday. I know it's bank holiday. That's why I'm not trading today. You see this? It took about 3 minutes to hit stop loss. Imagine if I was sending a signal. That's why when I take this kind of position, the one I send signal is positions like this, because there is no way price will hit stop loss in like 1 or 2 minutes. It's gonna take at least 15 minutes for price to like go bad, because this 8 pips stop loss. Hope you'll get it. 8 pips stop loss. In the rule, they have 1 to 1000 1 to 100 leverage. So yes, your leverage allow is 1 to 100. So that is your leverage on forex pairs. So when you are trading the leverage 1 to 100, and you can't change the leverage, that's the leverage they've given it to you. Okay, that's the leverage they have given it to you. So you can't change that leverage. How was my trading journey? Give you breakdown. I've made a YouTube video on that. If I start talking about that, it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a long time. Guys, can you tell me why Portugal won that match yesterday? I went to sleep. I did not watch the match. Any promo code after blowing your funding clips account. If you blow, automatically you can reset with a discount. So you don't need a promo code. You can just reset the account with a discount. Do you guys know why? You send your details. If you send your details, that's good. So I now have the 3 winners. So I'll check your details later and I'm gonna send that to funding pips. I'm gonna send that to funding pips. Can I help you to buy? Bro, that's a mistake. Don't allow someone to buy an account for you. Okay? That's how you people getting banned from Profirms. If right now I'm trading with funding pips, I can't use my card or my crypto wallet to buy an account for you because you're gonna get both of us banned. You guys understand? Your crypto wallet is your own. You can't use someone else's wallet to buy you an account unless that person is not a trader. You can probably use your mom's crypto wallet to buy an account, but don't even use your mom's credit card because the credit card name is different. They'll be like, yeah, you've used someone else's. So KYC wise, you're gonna get banned. So don't do that. Am I trading gold? Yes. Yes, I'm trading gold, and these are some of the trades I took this week. Actually, this buy was even 10R. It wasn't even 6R. It was 10R. That's crazy. And then this was my own buy I took as well. This was my own buy I took as well. And my own buy, I'm still holding till now. I'm still holding one lot buy till now. If I'm to trade, I would have gotten another buy here. And I would have gotten another buy here. But today is bank holiday. I wasn't even expecting. If I knew it was bank holiday, I don't think I would have even gone live. Which pair will I be trading live? EU and gold. Currently, I even have a setup on EU, which is this. If this happened, that could be a nice buy setup. I have a setup on EU, but again, bank holiday. I don't know what to expect. I have a buy on EU. I'm waiting for price to pull back. Tap this. You are watching me from Ghana. Let's go. What was my first payout like with funding pips? I don't know. Where is the certificate? Is this a certificate? I can't tell what was my biggest payout with funding pips or my first payout with funding pips. If I scroll, I don't know if the last one would be my which one was my first payout? I don't know, bro. And the fact that they put this certificate randomly. Yes. I think this was my first payout. Yes. I found it. Let me download it first. This was my first payout with funding pips, by the way. This right here was my first payout with funding pips. Do you guys see the account size? 50k. Okay, overall reward is the same as the reward I just got here. So this was my first payout. 2024, 25th October 2024. My first payout with funding pips. I made $2,659 on a 50k account. So if you see this, it's to tell you that you don't need to start from the biggest account size. Okay, you don't have to. You don't have to start from the biggest account size. Even a small account is enough. You don't need a big account size to start trading from. Okay, you don't need the biggest account. You right now, I want to start trading. I want a 200k account, 100 account. I only had a 50k when I started trading with funding pips. So learn from that. And you don't need the biggest payout ever. I think this type here, I made about 6% on the account. So I made about $3,000. So after profit split, then probably got it down to 2,600. I hope you all get it. This was my first payout. This right here was my first payout with funding pips, and that was about 2 years ago. Am I living alone? I'm living with my wife. So you've been struggling to pass phase 2 while back then. I don't know. Have you seen that I've been struggling? I don't really know, man. I can't really remember. You guys can see that I have more payout certificate than I have passing certificate. You can, bro. When I said I have more payout certificate, now all I'm seeing is passing certificate. That's wild. That's actually wild. CFD or futures? I trade CFD. You can trade futures if you are not living in Africa. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Because if you live in Africa, most futures prop firm are banned. If you live in Africa, most futures prop firm are banned. Okay? So if you are telling me CFD or futures, I'm gonna take CFD because I'm in Ghana. Hope you all get it. But if you live in the US or in Europe, I don't know about Europe, but if you live anywhere in US, you can trade futures. But even trading futures is really difficult because you have so more rules. You have way many rules. I tried trading futures with some futures platform that allow me to trade, and trust me, the rules on futures are crazy. Is there any difference? Is there any different strategy you apply for phase 2, like reducing risk? No. I trade the same way. If I'm trading phase 1 or trading phase 2, it's the same way I trade. I don't reduce or increase risk. I don't do anything. For me, it's the same thing. For me, it's basically the same thing. Why Chrome is using so many? Bro, Chrome is gonna crash my laptop. Why you all saying CR7 on my chat? I'm not banning anyone that's talking about Ronaldo. I'm banning anyone that is talking about Ronaldo. Let me see if I close all of this. Yeah. How many accounts I had blown before getting my first payout? Bro, I don't know. I don't really know. But with funding peeps, when I started trading funding peeps, I was already profitable. So I haven't really blown that many accounts. I was already profitable. Do I do a giveaway? I've just done a giveaway and I've already chosen the winners. I've just done a giveaway. This is one of the winners. This is the other one. This is the other one. So I have the 3 winners of the giveaway. So these are the 3 winners of the giveaway. So I've already done the giveaway. Do I like funding peeps changes? Yeah, I think the changes they've done is nice. They've removed a lot of rules, which is really good. They've removed a lot of rules. Really, it's really nice when they remove rules. You love Ronaldo. Why you all liking Ronaldo? Why you all liking Ronaldo? Where is my mentorship group link? You don't need my mentorship group link. You need my website. That's what's important. What is important is Not the mentorship, but it's my website. What are you going to do this weekend? What are you people going to do this weekend? Wait, there's some official account king. Huh? He's a king. The king is gifting me so many flowers. Thank you very much. To be honest, when I go live, I'm not really expecting you people to be gifting me something, because I want to come and give you value. And the value I give mostly is for free. I'm not really expecting a gift. But if you have a gifter, thank you very much. If I do, I don't know, anytime I go live on TikTok, I end up getting my $0.01 from the live. $0.01. But if I somehow got enough gift, I'm gonna use that money to just give away to you guys, back to the community. I'm not give away back to the community. Okay. You go for waterfall hike. Where is it? I've never really been to any waterfall in Ghana here. I've never really been to any waterfall here in Ghana. I think I would definitely do it. I haven't been to any. Do I offer one-on-one session? I do, but I don't really like giving out one-on-one session. It takes so much of my time. I'm gonna go for one of these. I've never really been to. Oh. I've never really been to any waterfall. But I would definitely want to go. Volta region is Eastern region in Accra. I've heard a lot about Volta region. I'm definitely gonna go. Like, I haven't been staying in Accra. It's now I've moved to Accra. I think a month back. So I'm definitely gonna go. What did I do back when I made my first 10K? I don't know. I was just happy that I hit a milestone. That was it. Is my parent house fully done? Yes and no. Like, the house renovation was done. Right, I even made a YouTube video on it. If I don't know if you guys seen it. Yeah, it's this. This is the house here. This is the renovation, and I mean, I'm really happy with the result. I'm really happy with the result. Like, you guys see that this is how you was looking before. I don't know which kind of what is this? Like, look at the RGB my dad bought. Look at the kind of ceiling they have. Look at the screen. Look at this TV. Look at this TV. This was like 32 inches TV. I'm pretty sure it was a 32 inches. Like that was, look at this. And this was a final result. This was the final result. I'm really happy. My parents, they were the one who chose the color. They didn't want to make it white because my sisters, I have like 3 sisters, and my sisters are definitely gonna make it dirty, like, really easily. So that's why they chose this gray looking color. So they chose this, so it doesn't like get dirty easily, basically. Look at how big this TV is. I think they bought this 75-inch screen compared to the other TV that was looking somehow before. Did I watch the match against Portugal? I did not. Do I have any promo code buying account? Use code AstuceFx when you want to buy an account from Funding Pips. And the discount only applies for the first purchase, by the way. If you guys want recurrent purchase, well, like, anytime you use my discount code, you get like discount. You get discount every time. I'll try to request that from Funding Pips. I have to get an approval. If I request from them, and then they agree, then I'm gonna let you guys know. So anytime you use my discount code, you're gonna get 20% off. Hope you all get it. So I'll try to talk to them. I'll try to talk to them if they can get you more discount. Okay, I'm gonna talk to them, but I don't think it's gonna be always 20%. Probably like 10% off. If you are buying more account, it's gonna be 10% off. 10% off. You are watching YouTube on YouTube. Oh, yeah, but these are just highlights. And I installed a whole, solar system for my parents as well. So they don't really rely on the government electricity anymore. And this is also the other part that was still being built. And I think now they've pretty much done with this part. So yes, I'm really happy with what I've done. I'm really happy. I'll try to request. I'll try to request and get back to you. Bro, if you all getting me pissed about Ronaldo, I'm I'm banning everyone talking about Ronaldo on my chat. I need a moderator chat. I need someone to moderate my chat because anytime I'm live, I can't moderate the chat if you guys are talking about things I don't want to talk about. I don't have anyone that can moderate my chat. I don't think I can even moderate chat on TikTok. I don't have the option here. I don't see the option. But I think on YouTube and the other platform, I think I can do that. Am I Ghanaian? Yeah, I'm Ghanaian. You're waiting for a house tour. I want to make a house tour. Like the house I'm staying here, I still haven't furnished it all. There are a lot of things that I still have to do, which I haven't done it. So that's why I haven't made a house tour. I'm gonna make a YouTube video. A YouTube video is actually coming for you people. It seems EU is coming to the to where I was waiting for it. EU is coming to the level, yes. If it comes there, is a nice buy opportunity. You guys can take, but I don't really feel like if you guys are going to take, I'm going to take it with you. If anyone has or it's gonna take it, I'm gonna take with the person. But I don't feel like taking a trade today because it's the national holiday or what US holiday or whatsoever. Bro, the same holiday is also here in Ghana. The same holiday is also here in Ghana. So I put an alert here. Let's see if price come and hit that level. There are a lot of places that I have to visit in Ghana, which I did not. All of this, even this Cape Coast Castle, I've never been to. It's almost like I don't even live in Ghana because most of these places I've never been to. I'm more of like an indoor guy where I don't actually go out. I don't actually go out. How did they put the Adidas logo here? Do you guys think that this EU buy setup is gonna play out? I see a level for it. I see a reason for it to play out, and I also see a reason for it to not play out. A reason for it to play out is that we have this liquidity sweep. I'm waiting for price to buy from this, and then the other reason is because, or the other reason that it may not play out is because of this trend line here. So if there's a trend line liquidity to the downside, then price can also fill it. Why is price not tapping the level and start buying? You see how it's missing this? When is my car arriving? Bro, I don't know. Let me ask my brother if he can send me. Let's see if he give me the link. If I can track the boat, like the tracking number, if I can track where the car is at right now. The car is gonna be there pretty soon. But I don't even have the money to go and pay the duty of the car. I need to get more payout. I need to get a lot more payout if I have to like clear that car from the. Can you trade funding pips on weekend? No. What are you going to trade on weekend, bro? You want to trade what? Crypto? I don't know about crypto. I don't know if funding pips even has crypto or not. But I'm not really a fan of trading crypto. I don't have money to go and clear the car from custom. If the car comes, I don't have the money to go and clear the car. I spend everything on the house and on furnishing and whatsoever. Are we buying, bro? It didn't tap the level. If you want, you can just buy this way. But for me, if it doesn't tap the level, there is no buy for me. It's almost tapping the level now. Why am I trading on bank holiday, bro? I'm still really confused. I have a 100K live account with Exness. How is it going now? It's going well. I mean, I'm not complaining. You try to join VIP even after everything you did. I'm not responding to your text anymore. What? Is it on WhatsApp or is it on Telegram? I only reply on WhatsApp, okay? If you have message me on Telegram, I have my assistant that reply you on Telegram. So if you ever did not get replied, maybe just said something that shouldn't be said, and probably the person, that's why you haven't gotten a reply. I don't really know. But you can go and send a follow-up message. You can send a follow-up message. Let me go and buy. I wanna buy, okay? EU. Euro USD. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put 5 lot. I have 5 lot buy. Oh, 5 lot give me about $500 stop loss. Okay. Okay. I have a buy. Bro, this risk reward does no help. This is EU. This is Euro USD. This is EU. I'm buying on a live account. I'm not buying. My profit account is waiting for a payout. Me, when I wait for a payout, I don't usually like trading. Which car is it? Is it Mercedes? Some Mercedes. That is coming. Let's go. He's actually buying. There is no way. Now he's selling. I want it to come here. You see why you shouldn't buy before you tap the zone. Now it's coming to tap the zone. I said it's not gold. It's EU. EU. Oh man, I don't know how. Let me go. I want to join my own live on TikTok to see how it looks like. I don't know how my live on TikTok actually looks like. Let me see. Privacy. Switch account. I'm gonna switch to my alt account to see. Can you trade funding pips on different assets? What do you mean on different assets? What do you mean on different assets? Oh no way! I'm looking at my face, my own self. I'm looking at my own live on my phone. That's crazy. Bro, are you watching from YouTube or you're watching from TikTok? There's one thing I'm looking here is how do you join my Telegram group? Check AstuceFx.com. Check here, okay? Where is it? Check here. And when you come here, sign up. Sign up. What's the giveaway requirement? The giveaway already ended. So wait for the next giveaway. For you to join giveaway, go to AstuceFX. Go to now it has hit the level finally. This is where I was supposed to wait for the buy. This is where the buy was supposed to come from. Let me look at DXY. DXY looks like it's gonna go up. DXY looks like it's gonna go all the way here. But let's see. I should bring the chart up. Let me look again. But it's not bad. Does it? You know, when you watch the live on TikTok, you maintain your, and you click on clear display. So the messages doesn't show. I don't know if you guys understand. Like you know how you guys type and then it shows on the screen. You click on clear display. And if you do click on clear display, this is how the live is gonna look like. It's gonna look as clear as possible. I don't know if you guys, if that makes sense. So you do this. So it's gonna be really clear to you. And it's very, very clear, to be honest. Okay, so always try to clear the chat. Like click maintain and you'll see clear display. So clear display and you wouldn't be able to see those messages. Because if I bring my head down, that means that the text are gonna be on my face as well. And it's better when my face is on top, so like you can, you know, see my face. If that makes sense. Twitter, I don't know. Oh my god, this shit is buying. Look at the sniper entry from this level. Imagine if I just waited for this. Imagine this was the entry I was supposed to get. I don't know how it looks like on Twitter, but Twitter you need to watch on, like, you need to turn your phone sideways to watch it. You can't watch it this way. You have to like turn your phone. I'm the one live streaming and I'm the one actually joining the live to show you how to watch the live. So you have to put your phone like this to watch it on Twitter. Okay? This is how you are supposed to put your phone to watch it really well. So put it this way. You can trade different currencies. Trading yes, you can trade different currencies on funding pips. You can trade different currencies. But Bitcoin, I don't know if you can trade Bitcoin there. I don't really know. I don't really know if you can trade Bitcoin on BTC. You can trade Bitcoin on funding pips because I don't trade crypto. Who is this? Another stupid guy here sending his WhatsApp link, blocking this guy really quick. That's it. You see, I mark zone. What do I do when price get there? I look for confirmation entry. Like this one, if I was to look for, but this one, since it was already 5 minutes, I can't even look for any sort of confirmation entry. But let's say that I have something like this. Okay, let's look at this. Assuming that I have another block here, right? And then I'm expecting price to come, tap this and go up. So if this other block is, I got probably on the 15 minute, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on the 5 minutes, and then when price come in here, I'm gonna wait, look at the 5 minute, wait for price to go down, go down, go down, go down. And as soon as price does something like this, then this is a change of character for me. So once that change of character happens, all I'm expecting price to do is pull back, tap this change of character, and then give me a buy setup. So my entry is gonna be something like this. This is how I'm gonna be getting my buys. Okay, so this is basically how I do on daily basis. Once I have a high time frame level, I go one time frame below, look for confirmation entry, like a change of character, and then get my entry. That's how you can do on daily basis, and it works really well. This is what I do, bro. This thing is actually going up. Look at the sniper entry, bro. That means that DXY is actually going down. You see, DXY is going down. You are currently trading Bitcoin on funding pips. That's good. I didn't know you can trade Bitcoin on funding pips. How did I catch buy zones on gold? I'm gonna make a YouTube video for you this week, okay? Like what I'm planning to do is every week at the end of the week, I'm gonna make a YouTube video breaking down basically all the trades I took within the week. So if I took maybe 3 trades, I'm gonna make a YouTube video breaking down all of those trades basically for you. So I'm gonna do that. And I think last week I already made a YouTube video for the I don't know if I did though. I can't remember, but I think I did. What are the entries for the sniper entry? What do you mean? What are the entries for sniper entry? The sniper entry only means that you just take a position and you got no drawdown, and most of the time is like luck. Most of the time is like luck. Yo, yeah, guys, how are you doing? I'm buying EU, bro. I wanted to trade gold, but there is that thing. How do you call it? There's bank holiday, so I'm I'm on EU. I'm buying EU. I'm buying EU. SL and TP for current trade. Do you not see it? This is. Let me see if I can type it for you. I don't really like typing. You can just see. Let me just make it small for you. Put SL anywhere below this low, and then if price come at this high here, you can probably like close and position or close everything, and then full TP you can also take it all the way at this high. If it's not gold, BTC or NAS, you trade NAS, bro. I don't remember when last I looked at NAS. Oh man, can you imagine you catch this sell? Oh bro, this is wild. That's crazy. But I think since today is bank holiday, NAS hasn't really done anything much. I think USD pairs didn't do anything much today. But this thing moves a lot, bro. Like when it wants to move, just do this and it does this and it does. It moves a lot. But gold, yes, count me in. Count me on. We'll kill gold on Monday. When the market open on Monday, you're gonna kill gold. That's for sure. So let's see if this thing goes anywhere. Did I catch buys on? How did I catch the buys on gold? Bro, it's just order block, man. This order block right here, price tab went up, and then another order block here, price tab went up, and this was a stop loss. These are the only 3 trades I took this week. So 1 stop loss, 2 wins. when price, why am I getting disconnected from my own trading view? When price ignore your morning zone and moves, how do I stick to my plan? You know, sometimes when price doesn't hit your zone and it goes away, what do? I'll just wait for that zone, right? But if price goes up and then give me another zone, then I'm just gonna buy from that other zone price create. It's more or less like this buy on gold I got here, right? Let me go to the 1 hour, you'll see something. So if I go to the 1 hour here, you can see that there is this level, price came, it up, it went up, right? So after price went up there, assuming that you missed this buy and you wanted to catch another buy from here. So this other buy from here that you wanted to catch, price never came to it. Like price came here, right? You're expecting price to do something like this, but price didn't do that. So price didn't do that, and from here, price just went up again. Now it has created another level here. So if initially you're waiting for this, and then price now created another level here, you just use the new level price created here for the buy. You don't have to necessarily wait for this level. There are some levels where price is just meant to never touch them, and you can't always wait for them. You get it? It's like you are waiting for price to come and tap this, okay? And price sell, it never came back there. Well, price came and tapped this level. So it's not because you're waiting for this that you'll never take this. This happened, just take it. Just take it. You're on GBP card buy. How many pairs do you guys trade? How many trading pairs do you guys trade? I really want to know how many trading pairs do you guys trade? This thing is actually going up, bro. This is like what? Do you guys break even when you take a position? If I took a buy here, if price came all the way here, I think could have been a reason. GBP card. Let me go and check GBP card. You want GBP card buy? You enjoying? Like, look how massive this thing is going up, bro. Look how massive this thing is going up. Am I still on gold buy? Yes. I'm still on gold buy. Yes, I am. You have 5 pairs and 90% are on gold. Bro, 5 is a lot. Five is a lot. I trade like, I just trade EU and gold. I don't trade more than that. I only trade EU and gold. Bro, my price is never gonna hit my SL on gold. My buy is down here. This is where I bought. I bought at 40.31. This is where I bought. I could be closing. I can even close all the positions right now. I'm probably gonna close all positions before midnight or before market close. I'm gonna close all positions before then. Okay. Why is the trade always coming down when it's supposed to be going up? Oh man, I don't know. That's a question. I don't know. I don't really know. I don't really know. I look at what EU is doing. EU was supposed to go up, right? It went all the way here, halfway to TP, by the way, and then it came all the way back down here. So I don't know, man. And I don't know if you all notice, but when I take a trade, I don't really like keep looking at the trades. So the way I'm working on my psychology is I always set an alert where I think my TP is gonna be, and I set an alert where I think I should be worried. Okay, like I set another alert down here, and then after setting all of those alerts, then I close my position, or I close trading view, and I go and do everything else. I hope you get it. So I go and I do everything else. So that's how I do most of the time. I don't like keep looking at the chart. I don't like doing that. How do I know when bullish or bearish after news? I don't know. I don't really like trading news, so I can't really tell. I don't know if you all like trading news, but I don't like trading news. What's the time frame on what? If you are looking at EU, here is 5 minutes. This is 5-minute time frame. Gold, the gold buy I got all the way. Bro, I'm good on gold buy, bro. I don't need to even hold it. I can just even close all my position here if I wanted to. Let me close 0.75 here. Yes, now I only have 0.25 lot on gold. This all the lot size I have left on gold, 0.25. Bro, if you can trade gold and then you are able to hold your trades, trust me, regardless of the lot size, you are going to make something, bro. You are going to make something regardless of the lot size. Like even if you use 0.1 lot, do you guys know that you can make even 1k with 0.1 lot? You can make something good from gold as far as like you're actually using you're actually holding your trades. When I look for new zone form as price move, how do I trust? You have to look at market structure. You have to look at how the market structure is. If market structure is bullish, assuming that price going up, right? Assuming that price going up, and this is how price is going up. And then if price did something like this, and then did something like this, I'm not gonna trust this zone for a buy. I'm not gonna trust. The reason I'm not gonna trust this zone is because if you look at the previous market structure, price did a healthy pullback. But here, this is not a healthy pullback. A healthy pullback should have looked something like this. So if price did not do like a healthy pullback, this is a level that I don't really trust. So if price is coming here, this zone is more likely to fail and then come down here before buying. But if price instead do something like this and then I'm trying to buy here, this one I'm gonna trust. I'm gonna trust this zone here. Or if price does something like this, then I'm gonna trust this zone for a buy. I'm gonna trust this zone for a buy. So it's the same thing that happened on EU and made me lose my trade this week. Do you guys remember that I took a buy? I took a buy here, right? And that buy ended up for a stop loss. The reason this buy ended for a stop loss is because this pullback is not healthy enough. Okay, like look at how previous pullback have done. But this is not enough as a pullback. That's why price went to stop loss. So when you are waiting for a pullback and like new zone being formed, wait for a healthy pullback before you look for a buy. Not just something small like the way that price did something small here. I mean, price played out, but these are not the kind of pullback I'm looking for. These are not the kind of pullback I'm looking for. I should advise you on past fees 25k. Yesterday you traded and lost 4%. Have a maximum amount of money you can lose in a day. Okay, you shouldn't have lost 4% in a single trading day. That means that you haven't been disciplined enough. For me, maximum I want to lose in a day is, let's say, 2%. So if you lose 2% in a day, just wait tomorrow to trade again. Probably you just had a bad day, and in a bad day there is no way you're gonna turn a bad day into a good day. So just wait tomorrow and you resume trading. You are not gonna avoid losses, but if you can lose less, that's enough. If you can lose less on a day where like you lose money, it's good enough. Just lose less. Just lose less when you are losing. Do I ever feel the fear of Trump tweet New York session when you open? Oh man. I think these days the tweets are not that scary. Okay, the tweets on Trump and he doesn't really like shake the market as like 2 months ago. So you should be fine. You should be fine. Okay. You should be fine. Oh man, I should check German 40. These are those pairs that I don't really trade, but let me see what this thing has to do. Anything USD related, today is not the right day to trade them. How many pairs do I recommend for someone to be trading? 3 pairs is enough. If you can get 3 to trade, that should be good enough. You don't need more than 3. I don't really know about sell, but can be expecting something like this. But this thing has bought so much. Is all of this buy today? No, that was yesterday. But I think the level I would want to see price coming before I can buy this thing to the upside is probably this. This whole leg. If price can sell all the way here for a buy, that would be way better. I'd be way happier. How many trades do I recommend? I said 3, right? Am I live because I'm bored, bro? There was someone that was supposed to send me the how's it called? This guy. He didn't send it. So I have to come live and choose another person. Basically. Because I was not supposed to trade today. If I was trading today, I would have gone live to trade. But still, even EU is not doing anything, bro. Even EU isn't doing anything. Do I trade forex pairs? Yeah. Trade forex. I trade EU sometime. I do trade EU sometime. I wish I had something like this. So now I would have been out. Do you guys ever close your trade before 1 hour? Does that ever happen to you? Does it ever happen to you take a trade and you close before 1 hour? GBP, JPY. Bro, anytime I come to JPY pairs, they always surprise me. Like, what is this? And look at this. What is this? This doesn't even look like New York session. This look like I don't even know what. It's not looking like anything at all, like, to be honest, to me. And these are pairs that have like high, how is it called? I don't really know. I don't really know why you are complaining about my volume, but I'll try to fix it next time. I'm gonna take my time and go through my setting and try to fix it. Look at even H4. Look at what H4 is doing. I don't know, but these kind of pairs, I'm not able to analyze them. Bro, whether it's bank holiday or not, trust me. Trust me. JPI always does funny things. Do I live stream every day? I'm planning to live stream every day. I don't think I can live stream every day though. But I want to be live streaming every 2 days. Okay, that's for sure. I want to live stream every 2 days. So probably Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Is that good? Does it sound good? Monday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let me put that to my agenda or something. Monday, Thursday, Friday. Let me write it somewhere. Where's my WhatsApp? Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Or I can also try Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. No, I can't do that. I think it has to be, if I want to do 3 times, then it has to be Monday, Thursday, Friday. I think EU is selling. EU is selling. Euro card probably selling as well. It was going up. If you ever got this buy, I think this equal highs could be a nice target. You can target this. You can target these TPs. Sunday night will be very nice. What? Sunday night. Sunday night. What do you think of finding Pip's 60% gain rule? But even if they have the 60% gain rule, you can still pass a challenge on a single trade. You can do that. Like you can make more than 60% of the profit on the single position. You can do that. Okay? But just that you're gonna have the 40%, you're gonna have the four minimum profitable days. So just do the 4 minimum profitable days. If you think you can follow the 4 minimum profitable days, just do it. But if you think you can't, I don't know, man. You feel you're losing an opportunity was given 14 days, but you don't know what to do. I'm confused. You bought 100K payday later at last funded, passed the challenge, but you were told that to pay activation amounts to get funded account because it's pay later. I just feel like losing this opportunity was given 14 days. Bro, if you got a pay later account or pay later funded account, what do you expect? If you pass the account, obviously you're gonna pay for the challenge, right? That's why it's pay later. So why are you surprised that they're asking you to pay? That's the whole, yes, that's the whole concept of the pay later. Because you took the account and you said pay later, so you are able to even pass. I think it's even a good thing, because imagine if you didn't pass, you are not paying for anything. You are not paying for anything. You are not paying for anything if you are not paying for anything. So gold drop took your profit. Oh, 4 profitable days is hard, bro. Let's be honest, 4 profitable days is not that hard. If you have 2 weeks to make profit, you can make at least 0.5% in 4 days. That shouldn't be a problem. If you can't do that, probably you are just gambling or something. And if you have to make 0.5%, you don't, if you take a trade, you just close as soon as you make 0.5%, right? Let's look at something. Let's even look at this EU. Where's that EU position? This EU position, right? We're trying to make what? Imagine that you are risking 1%. If you are risking 1%, let's see where it's gonna be 1R. Let's look at something. Assuming that you took this buy exactly at this level here, and then 1R. This is 1R. So at 1R, you're gonna make 1%. So you want to make 0.5%. So even risking 1% here, you can just target 0.5R. And yes, this thing hit 0.5R. So at 0.5R, you close your position and you've already made that profitable days. You already made 1 day off. Do you understand? Making the profitable days is easier than you think. It's not that difficult, because you are not like letting your trade run for a lot of things. You are just letting it run for a few things. I know it's gonna be annoying, of course, because imagine if you make profit on your account already, and instead of just waiting for a payout, you have to go and trade the account. I know it's gonna be, it's gonna hurt in a way, but you can do it. It's something doable, just that is a bit pain in the butt for you to keep doing it. It's a bit of a pain in the butt if you have to do all of that. Any what? Kikuri. Kikuyu. You ask Kikuyu. Oh no. Yeah, it's not that hard to make the 0.5%. It's not that. Have I ever heard of Funded Hero? Yes, I did. But I've never really gotten an account from them. And I don't really know about it. You often see a change of character up, then change your character down, and again, let's say on 1 hour or 15-minute time frame. How do I know which one is a real? So basically, if you have change of character up and then down, the up one is gonna be a liquidity, and the down is a real change of character. Let me explain. Assuming that price, let me try to draw it. Assuming that price moving this way, right? And then let's say that price broke up and then price broke down this way. Okay, so what happened is the one up here is a liquidity taken, and then the one down here is the change of character. So what you're gonna be expecting price to do is come here and then sell. So you're gonna be having something like this. This is what you have to be having. Oh man, everyone complaining that my voice is too low today. Maybe because I haven't eaten. Do you guys know that I haven't eaten today? Property. Let's try to fix it. Let me try to fix it with ChatGPT. All right. So let's try to fix it with ChatGPT. This is my mic here. Let's see what ChatGPT is gonna do. You all keep complaining that my voice is not high enough. How do I increase my voice? Or wait, I don't think I need this. There is even a setting here on my mic. Yeah, is it better now? I think it's going all the way to the red. Let me try to bring it down. Do you guys hear my voice better now? Bro, my wife traveled back to Sunyani for her school related thing. She has to go back to school because of something. So she'll be back. She'll be back in a week or two. So now I need to figure out what to eat by myself, you know. Is there any good restaurant? Can you guys suggest any good restaurant for me in Accra? I need a suggestion of a really, really nice restaurant I can go. Can you guys do that? Bro, KFC is not a restaurant. I would rather cook myself than go and eat KFC. KFC, I've eaten so much KFC that is even causing me health trouble. KFC is really bad. Like, it's processed food. KFC is processed food and is really not good for your health. Don't eat KFC, guys. I take it from me. You can eat it occasionally. I mean, like maybe once in a month or something. Or yeah. But don't eat it too much because it's gonna cost you all the health related things. Don't do it. I'm being serious with you. If you want to live long, don't eat KFC, guys. Don't eat KFC. I can order to be delivered to me. I can do that, but I want to go out and chill. Today is Friday and it's bank holiday, meaning I'm not gonna trade. So I need to go out and eat. I can't be staying home. And I need to go out. Don't tell me things like KFC or any sort of, you know, franchise as a whole processed food. I don't want to eat it again. Where is this? There's someone that suggests me a restaurant. I hope it's like. Where is Mrs. Astus? I she went back. Bro, this is exactly what I want to eat, man. This is exactly what I want to eat. Where are they located? Opposite UBA Bank. Okay. But how does it look like? I want to see. Let me look at the map. Where is it? Guys, give me a second. Zenith Garden. Where is Zenith Garden? Oh man, I mean, it looks, the food looks okay, but I want to see how this restaurant looks like. Oh, it may actually be a good place. I don't know. Let me screenshot it. I don't know. Probably I'm gonna get there later. Zenith Garden. Which one is Zenith Garden? You guys know places. Is this the restaurant? Why does it look like? It doesn't look like something I would like. It doesn't look like something I would like to go. I should come to Kenya. I'm gonna come to Kenya. Don't worry. I'll be coming to Kenya pretty soon. Not like too soon, but like I'm definitely gonna come to Kenya, okay? I'm gonna come to most of the African countries. I first need to settle here in Accra and then, you know, make everything work well, business related and everything else. Then once I have that like 100% financial freedom, then I'm gonna be traveling to most of those African countries. I'm gonna come for a tour. Like, you know how AstuceFx went came to do an African tour. I'm gonna do something pretty similar. Look like a club. Yes, that place look like a club. That's why I said it doesn't look like somewhere I want to go. That's Zenith Garden or Zen Garden, whatever. It doesn't look like where I would want to go though. It's like a club, yeah. You guys want to send me to club? I don't want to go there. That's in the evening, bro. So in the evening is a club. You guys know a lot of places, man. I should have asked you people to be letting me know where to go. Capital. Is it a restaurant? God damn. You guys have places, bro. I should have asked you people to let me know where I should go. Oh man. Oh man. Bro, I'm already getting bored from this EU buy, man. I'm already getting bored from this EU buy. Bro, this looks interesting. I want to see how the restaurant. Oh, do you know what? Let me go on TikTok. Probably they're gonna be like some TikTok videos. Let me see. I'm probably gonna get a nice video of that place on TikTok or something. They actually put all their menu here. Wow, okay, okay, okay. This is interesting. Salad, pizza, burger, main menu. Let me see what the menu is. Imported lamb chop. Imported. Why are they importing meat? Do you guys have Usbed restaurant here in Accra? I thought Usbed was in Sinyani. There's a Usbed in Sinyani. I used to go. Why are they importing lamb chop? Chicken. Why is it imported though? I'm getting like not interested. Why is it imported? Capital, okay. This is the kind of videos I'm looking for. I want to see how the restaurant look like. When I go to a restaurant, it's not just about the food, but how the place is like. The food is given. Do you people have Usbed restaurant here in Accra? Because the only Usbed I know is not in Accra. La Pavilion, where is that? Pavilion. Okay. Oh, wow. Interesting. You see, this is the kind of I like this interior. This is the kind of restaurant I want. I want when like it looks luxury, it looks nice. Not like nightclub kind of thing. I should come to your house. Fufu is ready. Oh no. I wanna come someday, okay? Yeah. Bro, EU is never. Bro, I shouldn't have taken this trade. I could have just closed my trade and just go off and sleep, no? I'm just gonna close my trade and go back to bed. Because like what on earth is this? Where is this? Wait. Ah, bro, anytime I come live, I need to ask you people for recommendation. Oh man. You have gotten me places I've never heard of. And actually sort of dream to go there. Is it on how's it called? Do I have to make a reservation? Private room. There's even a private room. They're probably gonna sell like a bottle of water for me for like 50 cedis. Oh man, look at the god damn. God damn. Do you guys know what you do? If someone can do a reservation for me, pay for the food, I'll go and teach you how to trade for free. Oh, this is interesting. Bro, I like this sort of mocktails. I think I've taken this kind of mocktail before. Look at this. Look at, oh man. These are the kind of things I want. One cup of water is 100 cedis. Yeah. Bro, you gotta be capping, man. Look at this. They said chicken avocado salad is 185 cedis. So there is no way a cup of water is 100 cedis. Bro, do you know what? I actually came from a country that we use safer. So anytime I go to a restaurant and I buy I buy water or I buy anything at all and I convert into safer. I'm like, why did I go and waste my money? Imagine I went to where is this place? Oh, come on. Embassy Garden. Yes. I hope you all know Embassy Garden. It's like an Airbnb kind of thing. And they have a restaurant inside. So I went to Embassy Garden and then I bought tea. Like a cup of tea. This cup is big, bro. The cup of tea, just like this. They brought the tea. And then I took the tea and they said, how much is the tea? 20 cedis. I paid the 20 cedis. So when I converted the 20 cedis into my currency, that was like what? 1,000 safer. Bro, why am I paying 20 cedis for a cup of tea, bro? Lipton, that tea alone is like maybe 2 cedis, 1 cedi self. Like that one tea they gave me 1 cedis, and maybe the sugar is like what? Another 1 or 2 cedis. And these people gave me something small for 20 cedis. What am I paying the 20 cedis for? A cup of tea? Oh man, like at some level, you feel okay paying for these things, but when you just look back and convert those prices, you see as if you are you are wasting your money. Bro, I paid 20 cedis for a cup of tea, bro. And this cup is bigger. And I'm saying cup of tea, there's nothing. It's not like they gave me with bread or anything. It's literally tea. Okay? A cup of tea. I was like, oh no. I think I even made a picture on my phone. If I'm not mistaken, it should still be somewhere on my phone here. 20 cedis. I paid 20 cedis for a cup of tea, bro. Oh man. Bro, look, this thing went all the way here and came back down. Bro, I'm gonna close this shit, man. I'm done with this thing. I'm gonna close with this thing. I don't even know why I took that, but close for. If I entered down, would have been a break even. I lost about $100, but it's fine. Because what's happening here, there's two things that's gonna happen. It's either gonna break down, like massive sell, or it's gonna massive buy. But this is what I don't like when price ranging. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is what price doing. And I don't like that shit. Bro, let me come back to that tea thing. It's somewhere here on my phone, bro. Till now, that thing is still, I'm still pissed on how much I paid for a cup of tea. How much I paid for a cup of tea, bro? Cup of tea without anything. Yes, I found it. This was that day. I don't know if you guys can see. That was Embassy Garden. That was the tea there. And these people took me 20 cedis. I actually took the picture. I mean, sort of like, I'm just chilling, just one evening. And these people took me. Why is TikTok so live restricted for some audience? Your live contain themes that may find uncomfortable or has been restricted. Reason regulated food and service. Why is TikTok like doing such things? I just don't get it. I can't even show food on live stream. Bro, the box of Lipton is 20 cedis. They gave me a whole. Guys, I have to go off for a minute, okay? I'll be back. I'll probably go live in the evening or something. So you talk later. I have to go and do something really quick. I'm coming. God damn. This my fridge. Anything I put inside becomes ice. Like what? I'm getting some water on the back. Yeah, I'm back. So these people gave me tea for 20 cities. Till now, I couldn't believe my eyes. So I'm pretty much done for today. I took a lot of partial, and I thought I can actually catch a trade for you people today, like on live. And this was basically the only trade I got for you people, but price doesn't want to move. Imagine I've been live for 2 hours, and the 2 hours I've been live, this is all the move that price has done. This is all the move price has done, like 0.5. So it's really not worth for me to keep waiting for this. I'm probably just gonna go and enjoy my day, you know. So you guys recommended me to go for what are the name of the places again? Let me write it. So you guys recommended me to go to La Pavillon, and then the second one is what? No, not the second one. I think it was the first one. The other one, what was it? There was a first name you people gave me, which was also really good. I think I did a screenshot somewhere. Let me go and check. Screenshot. Yeah, Capital. Yeah. So these are the two restaurants here. This one in Capital. Have you heard of Uganda? Yes, I know Uganda, bro. I know Uganda. I think I even know some people from Uganda, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna go to those two restaurants, and hopefully they will not sell me tea for 20 cities again. Hopefully. Hopefully they will not sell me tea for 20 cities. Bro, I'm not gonna let you know when I'm gonna go to those places. I like my privacy. I don't want to have people that know me around when I'm going somewhere. Why did I choose to come to Ghana than others developed countries? Which others developed country? I just wanted to go to any African country, and I chose Ghana. Ghana is developed enough as an African country, I guess. I mean, I don't know if Ghana is top how many in Africa. Ghana ranking in Africa. Ghana is what? 8. Bro, you telling me Ghana is not developed? We have 54 countries in Africa, 54 or 56, and Ghana is 8. Ghana is 8. Oh no. There is no way. I cannot believe it. Look at this. South Africa first, Egypt second, Nigeria third. And even if you ask me between Nigeria or Ghana, I would rather go to Ghana, because Nigeria, I know they have like a lot of GDP, but the GDP per capita, like per person, is really, really low because you people are a lot. So I would rather be in Ghana than being in Nigeria. So Algeria, that's like I would have gone to South Africa, but I don't know. Egypt, no, is like a Muslim country. I don't really like being in Muslim countries. Nigeria, nah. I would rather be in Ghana than Nigeria. Algeria, not really. Morocco, not really. So the only countries I think I would have gone to is probably Ghana, Ethiopia, and Kenya. These are the 3 countries that I would rather want to go. Do you get me? So like the countries I would want to go in Africa, to be honest, South Africa could be part, but I'm not really a big fan of South Africa. The countries I'm really fan of is Kenya, Ethiopia, and then Ghana. These are the 3 countries that I talk about it all the time, especially Ethiopia. I went there. It's not like I've been to Ethiopia, but I just went there for like, I had a flight that I did like some, a day in Ethiopia, and I actually like Ethiopia. I like how the town is, how everything is. So I would rather be in Ethiopia than Ghana, okay? Or Kenya. So these are the 3 African countries I would want to be, but not Nigeria or Algeria or Egypt or South Africa or all of those countries. I don't want to be in. So that's why I chose to be in Ghana, okay? Cote d'Ivoire is a French country, so I don't want to be there. Angola, I heard Angola is really expensive. I don't know if that's true, but yeah, that's why I chose Ghana. Nigeria has high-rise buildings. Bro, Nigeria does not have high-rise building. Nigeria has a lot of GDP, but they are poor. You can ask ChatGPT why. ChatGPT is gonna tell you. Why Nigeria has high GDP, but everyone is poor. But it's the same thing as China. China has a high GDP, but people still not China, India. India is India. You see huge population. This is the problem. Nigerian economy is good, for example. That's why GDP and living standard are not the same thing. Here's why. Huge population. Nigeria is 230 million. I'm pretty sure Ghanaian are like 30 million or 40 million. Nigerian are over 230 million, the largest in Africa. So the GDP per capita is really, really low. Like very, very low. You can compare for Ghana against Nigeria. You'll see the difference. I like Kenya. Kenya is a good country. Kenya and Ethiopia. These are 2 countries I would want to be. Look at this. Look at the GDP per capita for Ghana. It's twice compared to Nigeria. So average Ghanaian earn twice more money than Nigerians. What about Rwanda? Rwanda is good, but it hasn't really been on my focus. Rwanda isn't really on my focus. I don't know why. It's a good country, but I don't know. I would want to be in Ethiopia, bro. If there's a country that I wish I've been to instead of coming to Ghana, it's probably Ethiopia. But you guys have to understand that if I went to another country, probably I would have not become a trader, because I met someone here in Ghana that taught me how to trade, like introduced me to trading. That's why I'm today trading. So if I went to another country, my whole life would have been different. I don't know, could have been better or could have been worse. Could have been better or could have been worse. I hope you all get it. The building are the reason they are turned. Wait. I came to Ghana for study. I did computer science in Sunyani for 4 years. I've graduated. I think my certificate is somewhere down here. I can really show you. This is my certificate. This is why I came to Ghana for. This is the reason why I came to Ghana. And I got that certificate, and now what am I using it for? Just there. I'm not using this thing for anything. This is that one thing that stressed my life. But now it's just there. In here. I'm not using it for anything. I'm never gonna use it. I can just take it and burn right now. I'll just be fine. But my dad will finish me, so I'm gonna keep it for him. So what? Ghana better plan in many areas, road and urban. So roads are better in Ghana. Electricity, Nigerian. I see that Nigeria makes more electricity, but Ghanaian electricity is more stable. How do you guys make more light and not having light? I don't get it. How old am I? I'm 23. I'm 23, guys. How do you make more electricity and not be able to have electricity in your own country? How to backtest properly? I don't know. I'm gonna make probably another a YouTube video on that for you. And what? Poor. Tema poor, relatively efficient, largest poor. Yeah, so for poor, you people have the biggest one, bigger and more congested. Airport is smaller. Kotoka Airport is smaller. Lagos Airport is bigger. But everything just because Ghana is smaller. Ghana has no reason to have a bigger airport compared to Nigeria. You people are a lot. Real estate, Accra has cleaner, modern development. Abuja have bigger, high-end project, but uneven planning. Bro, this country surprised me always. Oh man, you people, like, you have the potential to do things but never really do them fully. I truly don't get it. You have the potential, you never really do them fully. Capital, I'm gonna go there. But me and KFC, that's it. Means with the CS skill, I can code a copy trader like you did and build my own website. Exactly. So, but do you guys know why? Even if I didn't go for that degree there, I would still be able to do everything I'm doing today. Like, be able to code and everything, because I started learning how to code before I go to school. And I went to school, they didn't teach me anything new because everything I learned home was way more than what they actually were teaching me there. So my level right now, I probably have the level of someone that did like PhD or something in computer science. I coded everything. My website from scratch. I did my website from scratch. What is the biggest psychology challenge? What's the biggest challenge? Strategy or psychology? Psychology, I think psychology, because any strategy you have, you can be profitable. And basically any strategy. There are people that are profitable trading trend line. There are people that are profitable trading support and resistance. There are people that are profitable trading basically anything. But if you don't know how to manage your psychology, there's no way you're gonna make anything from those strategies you're learning. Their attitude is what's consuming the electricity power. Bro, why you guys are against Nigerians? Are you people against Nigerians? Why are you trolling them so much? Oh no, you people are not crazy. You people are crazy. You people are crazy. Did I text you today? Let me check my WhatsApp really quick. I know that some of you guys texted me today. I haven't replied to anyone today yet. Hmm. You see, when I say that I don't, when I go out, I don't want to be met and things. I went to the airport yesterday to pick someone from the airport, right? Now I met this guy. I will save his number so you don't see his number again. I met this guy and he actually met me. Like I just went there and he's like, he watches me on TikTok. You guys see that? Like I wasn't expecting to meet someone over there. Hmm. How am I doing? I'm gonna reply to you guys WhatsApp number later. WhatsApp messages. I'll reply to your WhatsApp messages later. I'm probably gonna go off really soon. Okay, I'm gonna go off really soon. But for now, if you guys have any sort of question, feel free to ask. But if you want to join my signal as well, you guys know that this week I've sent only 2 signal. Okay, 2 signal. One loss, one win, and that win ran for roughly 10 hours. So that's like 9 hour up. I'm actually up 1,400 pips. So if you guys want to join, go and check AstuceFx.com. That's all you have to do. Check AstuceFx.com, sign up, and then get the exclusive offer. You can join my signal for free if you are trading with Exness. You have to be actively trading with Exness for you to get that. Else, you have to go and pay for the signal. And the signal, I think, costs about $47. Okay, this is the signal here. You have to go continue sign up, and then once you do sign up, you get access to that for you get access to that as well, right? So I think that would be pretty much it. How much did it cost me to get the house? Bro, I don't want to let you guys know how much it cost me to get the house. There are some things I just want them to be private, you know. So when do I normally do giveaway? Follow me on X. Follow me on X. That's all. Follow me on X. So yes, thank you very much for joining my live stream. Thank you. I appreciate you all for hanging out with me, and I hope you all the best. If you took any trade today, hope that trade hit TP, and see you guys probably tomorrow or on Monday. I'm probably gonna go to one of these places you guys told me to go. So I'll let you know how it goes about that, and happy weekend as well. Bye bye, Chad. Bye bye. Ciao.